Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Reciprocal.
What does the dictionary say?
Noting expressions, relations, etc., involving reciprocals.
Math rap.
The reciprocal of a number in math. Like how the reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2 or a half, comes with a clever trick that's fun. When we multiply a number back by its reciprocal, you get 1.
Math rap.
Today's Math Minute is concentrating on the term reciprocal as it relates to multiplicative inverse. Like a jacket you can wear inside or out, reversible jacket. The look is different, but it's still a jacket. Explain reciprocal in your own words. Like compliments that are handed out, reciprocals should go both ways. Have a reciprocal compliment battle with another person. List 10 reciprocal or multiple inverse examples. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!